Hi, welcome to Bamboo State, Mintal, the expansion project of Quezon Lulan. So now, I'm going to tour you to the expansion of this project. So, as you can see, nilalakad ko lang siya from the National Highway of Mintal going to the area. Actually, malapit lang po talaga siya. So, pwede lang siya lakarin. Kung gusto nyo po maglakad-lakad lang din. Then, when it comes to transportation is meron naman po from the highway. May mga tricycle po doon nakaabang. Pero pag gabi, wala na po. So, pwede nyo naman din po lakarin siya. Walang problema. So, ayan po ang expansion po ng Bamboo State. Ayan. So, may makikita po kayo na open spaces po dyan. Ayan po ay proposed project as a park or a playground. Ayan po. So, may mga available pa na mga houses to build and ready for occupancy. So, ayan po is a Yumi mid-cost, almost or a ready for occupancy unit. The lot area is 214 square meter and the floor area is 54.64 square meter. It has 3 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. As you can see is open lang po siya, so hindi po siya naka-fence and gated. Ganyan po siya turn over po sa inyo. So kayo na po ang magpa-fence and gate sa unit nyo po or sa property. So ayan po. Again, the lot area is 214 square meter. So ayan, medyo malaki po ang lote ng property na to o yung house na ito. So ayan, itutur ko po kayo sa gilid and likod ng house ni Yumi mid-cost. Ayan po. So meron po siyang mga existing na lote kasi 214 square meter nga po to. So medyo malaki-laki po ang space na pwede nyo na pong expand yung house nyo po. Maglagay po kayo ng another or kung ano-ano man yung i-extend dyan sa house nyo po, since malaki pa naman po yung available na lote. Ayan po. So ayan, pasok po tayo. So for now is furnished pa po siya or under work pa po or inaayos yung unit before siya ma-turn over. Actually, this unit is applicable for bank financing or Pag-ibig financing. The equity of this unit is payable up to 6 months. So, ayan, before yan matapos yung down payment or equity niyo is tapos na po yung pag-ayos ng bahay. So, ayan pa. So, again, this house, it has 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. As you can see, yan, malawak din po yung living area niya at the same time sa kitchen area niya. So, spacious din po siya. Now, this is the first bedroom. It has a built-in cabinet. Yan po, high ceiling po. Sliding window. Yan po, may mga socket and switches na rin po sa electricity. And then, the common toilet and bath. Ayan, naka-tiles na rin po siya. Level po yung tiles niya sa ceiling. Ayan po. Then, the next is the second bedroom. Also, has a built-in cabinet. The next is the master's bedroom. Ayan po, master's bedroom. Also has a built-in cabinet na rin po ang master's bedroom. Ayan. pa po yung yung unit. Ayan. The master's bedroom has own toilet and bath. Ayan po. Naka-tiles na rin po siya. Ayan. So, ang yung tiles na rin po is level din po sa ceiling. So, if you want to purchase this property, the reservation is 100,000 pesos, but there is a promo na for Araw ng Davao, so 50% off. So reservation is 50,000 pesos to reserve this house. This house, Ayumi Midcoast, is almost fronting lang po siya from the playground or the park, so malapit lang siya. This expansion project, Bamboo State, is just a few minutes away to the Vista Mall. Kasi yung Vista Mall is just along the National Highway of Mintal, or the entrance of Bamboo State. So malapit lang. Pwede nyo lang din po siyang lakarin kung gusto nyo po. So ayan, it's a wise investment.